Okay, so here is my look at the Veatool Bluetooth 5.0 earbuds. Come in a rather plain white box. High fidelity sound combining dynamic speakers for wireless music enjoyment. That's what it's touting on the box. So I guess this is their model number J29 wireless stereo earbuds. Made in China, promising 24-hour playtime, sweat-proof, and binaural call. Try to open this. Okay, so we've got a chance for a giveaway. Look at that. And an extra 30-day free warranty. Check that out. User manual. Try to take a look at. And inside, it's there's our J29 manual model number there, and this would appear to be the charging case. And the earbuds. Like an extra pair of ear tips and charging cable. Okay, let me take a quick look at the charging here. They actually were almost fully charged when I got them out of their pack, so they should charge very quickly here. So the idea is to each individual here, when fully charged, is supposed to go from red to blue, and the case has a rather handy indicator in there that it is fully charged. So the one earbud has gone blue, that it's fully charged. Now the other's good, and the charging case itself is at 100%. So now let's look at pairing. Alright, so to turn on an earbud and pair, it says to start with the right earbud. Take it out. Sure enough, it is blinking. I can select that to pair. It's connected. Now it's gone out, and I just saw volume control up there on the phone, so pull out the left earbud as well. They appear to be connected, so start play, just press on. One of the multifunction buttons should start the audio playing, and sure enough, the audio is playing. If I can turn it up loud enough to hear. And there we go. Sure enough, we can hear it out of either earbud here. And single tap should pause. Play. Then as far as the other controls, on the left earbud, a double click should increase the volume, and a triple click should reduce it. And I think if I move my phone, we can see that start happening here. Decreasing the volume. So that was double click, sorry, that raised it, so let's lower it. triple click, 1, 2, 3, and then a double click should increase the volume. So that works. And then on the right earbud, double click should take us to the next track. And triple click would take us back to the previous track. Alright. I'm not going to demonstrate answering phone calls or anything now. But we could try testing Siri. Holding for 2 seconds. Hey Siri, what time is it?
It's 4:32 p.m.
How about that? Okay, and then to turn off the earbuds, we're supposed to just put them right back into the case, and they seem to have a magnet to snap them in there pretty well. Alright, with the earbuds back in the case, music just playing in the phone, let's test repairing of the earbuds. So should be able to take them out right and left, and they are supposed to do their little blinky. Now they're connected, and sure enough the music is playing in the earbuds, not out of the phone. Alright, so the earbuds are also supposed to be able to be used individually, not just as a pair. So let's try that with the right earbud first here. Pulling it out, it should do its pair thing. And I think the first time we do this, since it doesn't have its partner, we actually have to manually connect it, and sure enough now it's playing the earbud. So I can pause and play there, and then to turn it off, just snap it into the case. Alright, so let's test the left earbud single mode. Now it's trying to pair and shows up as the left earbud. And now it's playing out of the left earbud individually. So that part works well. Alright, so let me do one more test of repairing the both headsets after doing individual mode. So take out right and left. So it'll tell us the right is connected. Hearing music there, as well as the left. I don't know if you can hear it on the recording, but it's definitely coming out of both. So it does come with an alternate set of small and large ear pieces. So I don't think you really want to see a video of my ear, but I will comment in the rest of the review on the fit, the comfort, and how long the charge is. But everything thus far has been what the manufacturer says. Easy to pair, very easy to charge here. Turn them on and off. I really love the digital readout on the charge left there. Okay, here's my wrap up of the Veatool Bluetooth earbuds. I will admit this is my first pair of this style earbuds, so I'm not going to compare to anything else. The bass was definitely good. I thought it was rich enough, deep enough bass there. The listening podcast gave me sort of a very open room sort of tone. I guess a little bit of echoey reverb in there, which was somewhat noticeable and maybe different from other earbuds I have. Not a problem, just sort of different and unexpected for a earbud that sort of has a seal in the ear there. I thought the fit was very good, worked for me with the standard tips. I'll show you a couple pictures here I found 2 different positions that worked for me. It doesn't quite exactly look like the position used in the ad there, but these 2 positions worked for me. I found they stayed in while moving around, even while eating, though like you would expect with anything with a seal there, when you eat, there's a little bit of popping of the seal kind of breaking, but they stayed in just fine. I thought the microphone worked okay. It was not real loud, but audible. Not really something I intend to use very often. This is more for just listening to music and podcasts. And one of my top features here that I really liked was the having a digital readout here of how well charged the case is. So that's takes out the guesswork of when I need to charge the case. That was really nice. It took a little while to learn the right pattern to turn the volume up and down, but it was really nice to be able to do that directly on the earbud themselves instead of having to pull out the phone and change the volume there. So that was really nice. I thought the instructions were fine. Nothing wrong there. I've seen some people complaining about the instructions. I thought they were just fine to me. All right, so looking at the numbers, I found they powered off at just 1 minute shy of the promised 4-hour playtime. I was listening to music on a average volume, and so it was right at that 4-hour mark. I got a very kind alert about 2 to 3 minutes before power off, telling me to charge them. And charging took 1 hour for the one earbud. The other took about 9 minutes longer, so not too long. And it did take me from 100% on the charging case down to I believe it's at 71%. So it took a little more than 25% charge. So giving that 4th charge on the to the earbuds from the case is probably going to not quite give a full 4th charge, but not bad. Pretty close to what was promised there. So in summary, and it's really nice that they light up blue when they're done charging. So I definitely like these earbuds. I'm going to use them for mostly for exercising. Having the single earbud is also really nice to be able to switch them off when just listening to podcasts and something like that, to be able to switch them and not have downtime while charging. So I am very, very happy with these and would recommend them to you. I hope this is useful. Thanks for your time.